Third and foremost, the conflict in the Middle East, which escalated toward the end of February, triggered higher global oil prices and renewed supply chain pressures, creating additional risk for oil importing economies such as the Philippines. These challenges are real, and the Marcos administration is confronting them directly and decisively.
Lubos na apektado nito ang agriculture, forestry at fishing at industry sector kung saan nakapagambag ito ng negative growth na 0.02 at 0.01% sa kabuang GDP habang services sector ang bumuhay na mayroon 2.8% growth. Bilang tugon, sinabi ni Balisacan na todo kahit ang pamalaan sa pagbabalik ng diwala ng mga consumer at investor at pagpapabilis ng mga mekanismo para sa transparency at infra projects.
We are pursuing reforms that will improve transparency, accountability, and efficiency in government processes. These include the digitalization of budget procedures, faster approval systems, and stronger project monitoring mechanisms.